Just dance. Hey, I ain't get it. Let me tell you, why you do her like that? Look, cause she's silly, y'all. She be doing some little silly, crazy crap.
Okay, we'll figure this
out. Y'all.
We'll be back in a minute. Peace.
Hey, gang, gang.
Can't you see this a whole new me?
Hey y'all, check her out. She trying to be all stylish. Ooh, what we doing today, man? Where we going, babe?
We're gonna get a car today.
You gonna go get what?
A car today.
A what?
Oh, thank God, because I was getting so fucking bored.
What?
Not having a car, I was getting fucking bored.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was though, y'all. It's been a
I'm
rough
lazy
journey.
and we can only walk so much.
So much, man.
Walk right around the corner and get tired. The blocks are really long.
Yeah, she dripped up, y'all.
Are you checking on my jeans?
Yeah, let me see. Oh, dang. Oh, wait. Do a slow motion spin around real fast. All right, Fashion Nova. What's up? What's up, Fashion Nova? Uh-oh. No, she dropped the bag. All right, y'all. So look, man. All my footage is off the iPhone. Hey, you know what I'm saying? We just got sick and just, I'm gonna have the best part. So, oh, this boy ain't on no bar in there. He's getting steady cruising.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
It says.
So.
Oh, it said it though. Look at this.
What?
It says the water in Campbell building will be shut off Thursday, January 3rd from 10 to 3.
Oh,
this
man.
shit been up here for 2 weeks.
Suckers. That's why we got the early bird. Here. I love you. So y'all, look. We're on our way to get a car, y'all. We trying to be mobile, you know? Oh man, it's been a stress without one, y'all. It's really straight because I guess we save on parking and stuff like that, but it's times where we can park after like certain times, so we just be out exploring more for y'all, man. I just want to get this to y'all, you know? We about to go hit these streets in the LBC. You know?
We supposed to be going this way.
Which way we going, y'all? So what we about to do right now, though? We about to, what? Catch the, oh my God, y'all.
Oh my God. Public transportation.
What's happening, G? You all right?
Yeah, man, we in here.
Oh yeah, man. We
already know what time it is, man. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. On IG, check me out.
You already know, man.
Just chilling, beautiful downtown Long Beach.
Hey, man.
You know what I'm saying?
So, man,
enjoying this sun, palm trees, this beach. Just knowing what we do, man. Just living.
You
really
already know, man. You already know, man. So tell them what's going on right now.
Right now, man, this is Wabi Sabi Village Market, man. Right now, we over in the East Village, Long Beach. Anytime that you need anything, man, you can come through right here. Check out the shop, man. We got coffee on deck. We got great kombucha. We got vegetables, fruits. We got your chips, whatever you want, man. We got everything, man.
Oh, yeah.
Right here, Linden and Broadway.
Oh yeah.
Wabi Sabi Village Market, man.
I know what time it is. All right, know it, bro. So, all right, man, y'all seeing it right now, man. One of LBC's, Long Beach. You already know what time it is, man.
Long Beach, man. It's beautiful. Y'all gotta holler at us, man. Come see us soon.
Let's get it. All right, gang, y'all. So, you guys, we are lost.
We're not lost.
She said we're not lost, y'all, but she don't know where we going.
Because I'm just confused.
So, where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh,
my
God.
We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
I can't see it from right here.
Oh yeah, I forgot, cause she don't like using directions. She don't like using phone. She don't like doing none of that.
Cause I
She
like
just
to
like
figure this stuff out on my own.
She a little mystery. I think that's all Scooby-Doo was. It was missing Rima, not Velma.
Okay, look. Now this is where we're supposed to be. Now.
I don't even think it's over. Hey y'all, It's lit. Just know that. Look at the sun. Baby. I'm sorry if I blocked it.
It's a nice day outside today.
Beautiful.
It's a nice day every day. You say that now?
This is the part where it gets intense, right? So, all right now, all right.
Okay, so we
So what we
figured
doing
it out.
now? So we figured it out,
We
y'all?
walked past it,
Uh-huh.
but now I know where we're going and what bus to look for.
So now we know what's going on, y'all. And who was right? Who was right?
I was still right. See,
Yeah.
because I could have been right, which makes me still right.
So
And
she
that's
gonna
some shit you say?
She gonna try to pull me on me. So yeah, man, it's a beautiful day,
Oh, man.
and we are here at the bus stop. Our bus gonna come to 11. What? 38?
38. That's such a long time.
Y'all, that is
I'm
such a
sick.
long
I
time.
missed that bus.
I'm sick. We missed that bus.
God.
God,
Shit sucks.
that really sucks, y'all.
I gotta stand here.
So now we gotta stand here with the face. Right to right here, so I got on the right now. It finally came.
Thirsty until
Dang, we could have went to the Starbucks, y'all. But we are on the roach coach.
yeah, it
We're on the motor coach, y'all. And we bought our way. We want to buy our way, y'all. That place dang. We ate it.
is. The horrible, terrible Denise.
Yeah, they messed up, man. They put
Fucked up my meal.
ham,
They put bacon in my
bacon
shit.
in it.
After I
They
told
put-
them no bacon.
Yeah, that was on.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was a bad experience. Right there. There you go.
Sure is. Yeah, it's my pocket.
All right, y'all. Let's see.
Wow, it's so
Look,
busy down here.
Put a hood.
We're gonna be all up and through here.
That's what I'm about to say. This is all the stuff.
All these food places.
So we'll get y'all when we get there. Peace. Peace. Tell them peace. I had to clear my camera, so we've been following this whole little thing.
Thank you, God. Thank
We've been
you.
following this
Getting me off that bus stop.
thing for the whole entire ride. So now we got to figure out where we got to go now at this.
They still got Rite Aid? Oh, we still got Rite Aid.
But yeah, yo, I'm sorry about that confusion on the bus. I mean, while we was getting off, I kind of had started the camera and had it all in my pocket and stuff, but I'm going to delete all of that any other way. But yeah, though, it's like more like civilized popularization right here, though. So
Thank God for letting me off the bus.
it's more like, look at the heels, babe. Look at the moms back there. Hey, this is crazy. This is beautiful. But yeah, that's what's going on today. And I'll get back with y'all in a minute. We gotta find it, y'all. But this is the app we've been using. Let me see.
It's the regular basic Apple Maps or Google Maps or whatever.
What is it?
Google Maps.
It's Google Maps, y'all. So Google Maps is awesome. Thank you, God. It led us here. It told us the whole way. I mean, down to the steps, like footsteps, y'all. So we walking right now on our way there. Should get there in like 3 minutes. Get back with y'all in a minute. Peace. About to try to get off, y'all.
I am about to get off.
She about to get off, y'all.
Get off.
She
And
always trying to
the
get off.
gas is so
Let me see.
cheap.
Let me see. Open it. Wait. Open the door. I want to get the thing. Where was you about to go?
You said where I was about to go?
Yeah. Why you ain't crank it up? Crank it up.
Yeah, I was
You about to check all around it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Huh?
Just select your window.
Well, it better not be no roll down window. We in 2019 already.
Check her out.
This is like a 15, I think.
Is it?
It's a good starter car.
Straight?
I ain't gonna complain. Yeah, because the gas is gonna be so cheap. It's gonna be so.
That's straight. You geek, little baby?
Okay, guys.
You see do the dance.
I'm
Hey, ow. I ain't get it. Let me tell you, why you do her like that? Look, cause she's silly, y'all. She be doing some little silly, crazy crap.
Okay, we'll figure this
All right,
out.
y'all.
And we'll be back in a minute. Peace.
Hey, gang. All right, y'all. So let's check her out, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's check her out, y'all. We on our way back to the crib, y'all. This has been a process, man. We've been. How long we been in there? It's about an hour.
3 hours.
3 hours. Y'all, we was in there like 3 hours. Oh, they go our old Malibu.
Oh, I need a pillow to sit on though. I can't see a little bit.
Full tank. It don't lift up, need to do it.
No, this is how it goes.
Look at her, y'all. She a midget.
Oh man, that's the only thing I hate about cars.
She a midget smidget.
Is that I can't see nada, nothing.
Y'all, look at this little midget smidget.
What are you talking about me?
I love you, boo.
I love you too. Who's excited?
Who's excited?
Mm.
Hey.
Oh, and it got Bluetooth.
She talk about, oh, and it got Bluetooth.
Listen.
She in love, y'all.
Okay, let's go home.